Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am talking softly because I don't want Missy Mo to come over here and try to take over the video. So this is going to be a recap for the 17th through the 23rd, the weekend of my wedding anniversary, my 5th one. First I'm going to show you that I used the Happily Ever After kit and show you what stickers were left over. I had leftover glitter headers, a few of the functional stickers left. I used the majority of it though. Full boxes and some flags, ombre check boxes, and I used up some of the icons. I used a lot of the little things. I'm kicking myself in the butt because I did not use this sleep-in sticker. I could have saved myself one, but I keep forgetting to use these stickers first. And then okay, so I am now in my bedroom, and I got the kiddo distracted for the moment, so I'm going to try and finish this video. So those are the ones that I used. And back to this one. This one is the headers, and then it has half boxes, quarter boxes, and then 3 half ombre check boxes. Got the bead covers. My daughter, you hear in the background. Skinny checklist. You know, I'm not even going to tell you what's on here. You guys can just see how much I used. Quite a bit. I did use quite a bit of the washi. I still don't know what to do with these. I want to cut them. But at the same time, I'm like, I don't want to go through all of that. Because I'm not sure if I would even use all this. So we shall see. And that is all of that. And now on to the weekly view and sidebar, and then the dailies. So here is the weekly view, and this is for the 17th, June 17th through the 23rd. My anniversary was the 22nd. I don't know why I didn't mark it there. I'm gonna have to mark it there just because. But anyways, I marked that there are 5 weeks left before my daughter goes back to school, as well as 5 weeks until her birthday. She ends up going back to school 5 weeks from this day, and then her birthday is the next day. So there's that. I have started to add in, I can't remember if I did on this one. Yeah, I did. I think I started it that week. Yeah. Started it the previous week, taking a piece of washi and putting the flags on here, what videos I am putting up that day. I ended up doing the plan with me for this week in the morning, and then later that night I put up the recap. However, I am not going to continue doing that. I will be doing plan with me's on Mondays and weekly planner recaps on Wednesdays, and Fridays will be when I do my hauls. And then I have a couple other 2 other planner videos that I also do, which are the flip throughs and the monthly views, but I already figured out how I'm going to do that, especially since July starts off so wacky, which you'll see about that in a couple weeks. So yeah, marked game days and steps, and I actually did definitely do a lot more steps, especially no, I don't think there was especially. Yeah, I think Friday. Yeah, Friday. We actually went and were walking around, but I had my watch charging. So there are a lot more steps. That's why I put the pluses there, because that means that I was walking while I was charging my watch, which I really need to get back into the habit of charging it while I'm in the shower or giving her. I do while giving her a bath anyways, but remember to put it back on. So you can see it was a little bit of a busy, but not really too busy week. Onto my sidebar, I ended up actually erasing one thing here because one, it was a bit private, and two, I'm gonna end up doing it this week, I'm hoping. So there's a little bit of a gap, but I'm okay with that. Usually I'm not, but for this week I am. So I had I list like everything that's going to be going on except for bills. Bills I'll put down here under bills. To clean, and then I have my to do. And again, for to do, I do my habit trackers. And there's the work schedule for my husband. I track my water intake, my daughter's vitamin and medication. And then if we went out and walked, which I think we did, yeah, we did every day except for Monday and Wednesday. Check mark would be Cubs won, X is Cubs lost. I put down what time the game is. I do like a brief little thing right here of this, but it's like not as detailed. I just kind of like the important things, I suppose. And that is it. I don't really. I had the bow clip there. I have been putting the deco box there, full box. Yeah, last episode of Spanish Princess, which I actually ended up finding and watching that whole week before it even came out. And on to the dailies. So pretty busy, but I did get a lot done. I was gonna film the haul on that Monday, but it didn't end up actually coming until Thursday, and so that haul was on Friday. But anyways, on to this day though. This was Monday. Got a lot done here. We even watched Meg while my daughter was sleeping. It's a shark movie. Speaking of daughters, I'm not talking to anybody. Hi. Mm. Oh yeah? Bye. I love you. Okay, I'm really gonna have to speed this up now. Okay, so here is Monday. We watched Meg. Meg is a shark movie. It actually was not as scary as I thought it would be. I hate shark movies with a passion, but this one was really good. Jason Statham really, yeah, he was, yeah. Anyways, Tuesday. Oh no, Tuesday. Hi. Hiya. Well, you have to be quiet. Mommy is filming, okay? I love you. I love you. Hey, careful. So I didn't get a lot done. It was actually pretty much more like I got some stuff done. I did get a lot of printing done like I wanted to. Yeah, that's Tuesday. This is Wednesday. We got some bad news. It was a pretty shitty day. And not to mention I got my aunt broken. Did a call back and got some stuff done, but they also visited, so there really wasn't a lot that we did. Thursday, got some stuff done, plus TheCraftyStudent had new releases. And yes, of course, I bought, which I am actually about to film the haul after this. I got 3 out of 4 weeks worth of kits. I'm just waiting for 2 kits that she will be releasing during the next TBC sale, which is July 11th through 15th. But Thursday was June 20th, which was my brother's birthday. And I finally got my package and I did a haul. I actually got everything up that night. I thought it was on Friday, but apparently not. And this was Friday. Thursday of summer. Hi. Yeah. And then oh, this by the way is part of 4 their quarter sheet. It says hello spring, hello summer, hello fall, hello winter, and I got that. So this is me using the summer one. I believe I already used the spring, So then I should have the other 2 left because I decided to use it at the beginning of for 2019. So there's that. That was Friday. This is Saturday. Oh, which we ended up going to Five Guys. This is real life, guys. We ended up going to Five Guys, and then like everybody took off. So that, and then Saturday we my husband decided that we should start the Marvel marathon. There are a ton of movies in the Marvel series. If you just we were gonna do by release date, but then he was like, no, we need to do it in the chronological order of the actual like the Avengers. So we ended up watching Iron Man first, and then had decided. So we watched Captain America. In release date, it would be Iron Man 2, and then Captain America, and then Thor, and then Avengers, I believe, and then Iron Man 3. I think. Don't quote me. But anyways, we watched Iron Man on that day. I actually put some makeup on. I ended up putting makeup on this day too. I was very, very happy. Which I just got. Hopefully a foundation that will replace my more expensive one. So that is it. That is my dailies, my weekly, my sidebar. That everything I use. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you have kids who like to video bomb, make sure to give it a thumbs up as well. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very shortly. Bye, guys.